Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Priyanshu Placement Solution. And friends, in today's video we will discuss about Accenture 22nd critical reasoning question, guys. Okay, before discussing, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, I request everyone to please subscribe and don't forget to click bell icon button, guys. Okay, so let's see what type of question I have taken in today's video, right? So the question is basically this one, guys. And these all questions are asked in 22nd of August 2022 and critical reasoning section, guys. Critical reasoning, as we all know, critical reasoning has 17 questions, guys, right? So let's see, basically, guys, the first statement is, question is, g equal to h is less than equal to I less than j. So in this type of question, guys, we need to just see ki which conclusion is follow, like first conclusion followed, another one is like, okay. So let's see, guys. So basically, first conclusion given is j is greater than m. So let's see, check, guys, is it true or not. So what I am doing, guys, in this one, I am just writing in a single statement, like, guys, g equal to, or let's write here, g equal to h is less than equal to j, sorry, I, and is less than j. Okay, now, guys, in another statement we have a h, right? But h is equal to g, right? So no problem, g or h is both same, guys, right? So like this, h is greater than k is greater than l is greater than equal to m, guys. Okay, clear? We need to make like this here. Okay, so now, guys, let's come to conclusion. First conclusion is j is greater than m. So j is this one, or m is this one, guys. But as you can see here, these are less than, right? So first conclusion is not follow. Let's move to the another. K is less than I. So k is here. Let me change the color so it much clear. K is here, guys. Okay, k and I, right? So k and I, yes, obviously I is greater than k, so condition is true, means, as you can see here, k is less than g equal to h, means k is less than h is less than equal to I. Obviously k is greater, sorry, I is greater than k, right? So the condition proves, so only second follow. Okay, only second follow. The correct answer is only second follow. Clear, guys? Let's move to the next question. The next is, all cows are cow are cat, right? So just imagine this is a cow. All cows are cat. So this is the cat. Now next is, some dog are cat. Some dog are cat. So some dog are cats. Some dog are cat. So this is dog. The next statement we have, that is, no rat is cat. So no rat is cat, right? So let's come to conclusion, guys. Okay, so now the conclusion is given as, some cows are red. Some cows, this is a cows, some cows are red. No, it's not follow. So the condition is, this one is false. Okay, the next is, some dogs are cow. Some dogs is this one, guys. Some dogs are cow. So maybe, guys, in case, maybe, okay, maybe it will like this, cow is here, right? So this one is true. Let's move to the next. The next thing is, all red are dog. No, red is not follow any of this, right? So this one is again false or wrong. So only conclusion 2 is follow. Clear? Only second is follow. Let's move to the next. Now the next is very interesting question, guys. That is nothing but a setting arrangement. Now, guys, setting arrangement always come in the Accenture, and it have a 3 to 4 questions, guys. Okay, 3 to 4 questions on a single paragraph, we can say. Okay, so let's analysis the question. The question is basically, in a round table conference, 6 persons are there. So let me make a one table. So imagine this is a table, and we have a 6 person, guys. So 1, 2, and 3. Clear? So these are the, guys, 6 persons. Okay, the next thing is, so next is, all are facing in a center, guys. So all are facing like this. Okay, like this. Okay, let's come to the statements. So first of all, it's given is, w is only the person sitting between j and t. So j is here, t is here, and w is always sitting in this, and only w is sitting between j and t, right? So let us make, for example, j is here, or w is here, and t is here. Just imagine. Let's move to the next. D is sits second to the left of t. सो टी के लेफ्ट में डी, राइट, टू लेफ्ट, राइट, second left of t, second left of t is nothing but 1 2, so d is sitting here guys, right. A is not neighbor of j, so here a is not coming, so a is directly coming here. Which one is remaining? Only l is remaining guys, right. So l is sitting here. Clear? If not clear guys, let me know in comment box so that I can know कि हाँ कहाँ समझ आ रहा है कहाँ नहीं आ रहा, right. So this we have done J W T A D E D L. Clear? So this is a nothing basic sitting arrangement. Okay, let's move to the question. The question is guys, who is sitting opposite to W? Who is sitting opposite to W? So opposite of W is nothing but guys D, right. So the correct answer is guys D. Okay, let's move to the next. Who among the following is a neighbor of Thomas? Thomas means T. ठीक है, who among of the following is a neighbor of t? So t का neighbor कौन है? Let's see. So t neighbor is w or a, right. So w or a, so a is given, w is not given, so the answer is a. Clear? Let's move to the third one. Third one is who is sitting third to the right of a? Third to the right of a, right. So third of a, 1 2 3, third is nothing but j, right. So j is a third person. The last one is who among the following sit between D and J? DJ. D and J is D is this and J is this. So only L is there, right? So L is the correct answer, guys. L is the correct answer. Okay. So I hope you all got it, and this is nothing but 4 questions and for 4 marks we can say, right? Out of 90. So it's a in this sitting arrangement is easy. Okay. So 100% you will got a 4 marks out of 90, no problem, by the single question guys. Clear? Now the let's move to the next question, and it have a 3 questions. So means guys, if you perform this one and this one, then guys 80% critical reasoning is done guys, right. मतलब 80% आपका clear हो जाएगा if you done this one and this one correct question. ठीक है, sitting arrangement and this flow chart problem. ठीक है, 7 question और I think हाँ 7 to 8 question is done only by this. Okay, so means 70 or 80% chances are there for clearing this reasoning section. ठीक है, let's move to the this question. So this is basically uh, flow chart question. As I have already discussed in a one of my video, in a one separate video I have made this question, this one guys, flow chart. In this one I have just discussed that this question in very deep, right. So let's see how we can solve this question, right. So let's see. So it's start from here, yeah, it's start from here. Next is add number 3 box in number box 8, number in box 8, number in box 8 is nothing but -6, -6 plus number in box 10, number is box 10 is nothing but 8, so 8 minus 6 is nothing but guys 2, so in a box 2 it will fill only 2. Clear? Now box 4 is we have a 2 not 9, so we got 2. Clear? Let's move to the next. Is number in box 4 is less than number in box 9? Box 9 is 9 minus 5. Condition is again false, right. Condition is false, it will move to this no part है ना, and this will move to this multiple. Multiple in means number in box 4, number in box 4 is nothing but 2, multiply with number in box 1. Box 1 have a -14, sorry -4, sorry -4 is there, and we need to multiply, so it's nothing but put 9. Box 6 is nothing but -8, and -8 will put in box 6. Box 6 have now guys -8. Clear? Let's move to the third one. It move to the next step. Subtract from box 6. Box 6 is nothing but -8 minus, ठीक है, minus box 8, right. So box 8 have a -6, so -6 and minus, it is nothing but we can say -8 plus 6 nothing but -2. It will put in box 1. It will put in box 1, that is nothing but -2. Take. Let's move to the next guys. Increase the value by 1 and store the result in their respective boxes. So we need to increase all the values that are given in the box. So -2 is increased by 1, that is -1. 6 is nothing but now 7. 2 is 3, 2 is 3, minus 1 is 0, minus 8 is 7, minus 7 sorry, 13, minus 5, minus 4, or 8 is nothing but 9. Clear? So we got this. Let's move to the questions. So the first question is, which box has the highest number at the end of the flow chart? So let's see which box have a highest number. So highest number is, guys, 9. Yes. Oh, sorry, 13. 13 is the highest number. So the box 7 is correct answer. So for this question, the correct answer is box 7. Box 7. Right. Let's move to the next. What is the product of highest and lowest number in the box at the end of flow chart? So highest and lowest. So the highest is, let's change the color once more. The highest is nothing but 13. Clear? 13 multiply, and the lowest is nothing but minus 7. Minus 7. 13 minus 7 is nothing but 9 minus 91. Clear? So the correct answer is, guys, minus 91 for this question. Let's move to the third. What is the addition of box 1 and box 7? So box 1 is nothing but minus 1, and box 7 have a final value we need to check. Box 7 have a 13. Box 7 have a plus 13. It is nothing but, guys, 12 is your correct answer. So this type of questions are asked in critical reasoning of Accenture, that was on 22nd of August 2022, guys. Clear? And guys, many of you students, you got this type of warning maybe in tomorrow or upcoming slots. So for this type of error, guys, I have made a one solution. If you have not checked out that video, you can go and check out, because guys, due to this error many of are unable to uh, submit the coding solution. So I request everyone to please share this video, so that, guys, everyone got know ki how to solve this error, how we can compile and run our code, right? You can go and check out this video, guys. Clear? As you can see here, Accenture biggest coding mistake. Okay, you can go and check out, guys, because if you have a correct code, and but if you are unable to submit the code, then it's not good for your selection, guys. Okay, so go and check out, guys. Any doubt query, let me in comment box. I will try to resolve your query as soon as possible. And if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, guys, please subscribe, and don't forget to click bell icon button, guys, so that whatever material we are uploading on our YouTube channel, you are just updated with all the things, guys. And if you have not joined our Telegram channel, you can also join our Telegram channel, guys. And if you have not watched this video and you have a Capgemini exam, so you need to check this video, guys. It's compulsory, I need to say, because before giving exam, just check this video once, because in this video I have just discussed the latest updated exam pattern, guys. Capgemini has just changed the exam pattern just now, guys, enough from last slot. So go and check out the updated exam pattern. What are the number of questions are there, or what's the time duration in updated slot, you need to check out once. Okay, so go and check out. Any doubt query, guys, let me know in comment. I will try to resolve your query as soon as possible. So thank you for watching this video, friends. We'll meet on next video. Take care. Bye bye, guys. And please try to share this video with your friends and in your college group, guys, so that all students get the benefits. Thick. So take care. Bye bye. We will meet on next, guys.